This renovated facility, I think, is going to do a lot to help attract new students and families and have them decide they want to check us out. We know if we can get children in the doors here, really that's where the magic begins to happen, and they're going to perform better, typically better academically. They have more of a healthier lifestyle, and they learn more about healthy lifestyles. And we prepare them for college or career after high school.
We were able to undergo this major project with little to no interruption in our programs and services to not only our kids, but our families as well. And it was great for them to see the transformation take place each day. They would come in, sometimes we have to reroute, walk this way, walk that way, but it was great to get their reaction on, oh, now you have this up. Oh, I didn't see that. Now you got that. What are y'all doing next?
We're serving roughly 85 on a daily basis. Yes, we have capacity to go up to maybe 150 to 200. And this is going to help us, I think, do that in a much bigger, broader, more exciting way.
It makes me feel tremendously proud, of what we were able to accomplish. We love Columbus, right? Like, we love it. We believe in it. We see its future, all of those things. And we want the same things that we feel to resonate within the citizens in the community when they see the types of investments that we're making. There are good things that are happening here locally, in that we are looking out and we are being intentional when it comes to leveraging these funds for the populations that need it the most. And those are our most vulnerable ones.
We care about them, they're important, and we're investing in them. We want to deliver a top-notch experience and top-notch programming and some of that in here, and we now have top-notch facilities. What this does is we've sort of renovated this whole block over the last 4 or 5 years, 6 or 7 years maybe. And so now we can start a child, they can start coming to this club here, now newly renovated, at age 6, and stay with us to our companion facility right next door through age 18. And we can launch them into, again, college or career right after high school. And so we're finally, this was the final piece to put that sort of puzzle together. I'm excited. It's going to take a 10-year view, but we have this 10-year vision of these 6-year-olds going, starting here and turning into 16-year-olds next door, and launch them on their careers and a good path for the rest of their life.